Hello friends, welcome to my channel conquerclutter.com. Hope you are all doing great. First of all, I wanted to thank you all very much from the bottom of my heart because last week I had posted that I had a severe eye infection and many of you were really concerned and messaged me about my health. I am great now, so I wanted to give you all a very interesting video. I am presenting to you my living room tour today. Hope you are all excited about this and I am also equally excited. Let's get started. You all know my love for minimalism. I have the things only which I need and I love the most in my living room. That's why it will almost seem empty. One more thing I want to tell you is that I don't own many things which is associated with the living room, like the coffee table, a big TV wall unit, 5-seater sofa, a carpet, many things like that. Because I tried having a coffee table like setup, but what happened was many things started getting dumped on the coffee table and I always had to clean it up. So what I thought was I literally did not find any useful for a coffee table, so I removed it. And one more thing is, if I have a carpet, what happens is I live in a dusty area and all the dust gets accumulated in the carpet and I find it really very difficult to cleaning it. So I disowned that also. And for the reason I don't have a wall unit is that I live in a rental space and it is very difficult for me to transport the wall unit for each and every house. So I have only a very small unit.
I always like to have a beautiful and vibrant space but with a very minimal decor. So I put a lot of thought process while buying each and every item for my home. I live in a rental space with a lot of limitations, but that doesn't mean it should be dull and boring. We should be a little creative and innovative to make our own space more warm and inviting. The color theme which I choose for my living room is orange, yellow, gold, black and brown with a little tint of green here and there to contrast the other bright colors. So let's see how I have used all these colors and decorated my living room in a very minimal way. Okay, when you first enter my living room, you will find this Buddha collections. I have a separate dedicated video for this entryway decor. Please be sure to press the I button you see on the screen to see the full collection. Next, I want to talk about how and why I choose this high curtains. My whole house has high ceilings. If I use a window curtain that is a short one, it will certainly not do justice to the beauty of these high ceilings. I really admire these high ceilings with that gold border on top. So I choose this tall door curtain which will flow from the window to the floor, complementing the high ceilings. I also use this beige color tassel to give it a royal look. This is our seating area. Yes, we only have 3-seater sofa because we find it very convenient to sit on our floor and do all the work rather than sitting on the sofa. I may sound very weird, but family is designed that way. Can't help it. I also have 3 plastic chairs in the balcony. If we have guests, we use them to accommodate them. Otherwise, we are very comfortable with the setup. I have used yellow flowers and peacock feathers to fill up this beautiful golden vase from Home Center. I have also tied a fairy light from Home Center to give this a mystical look in the night. I have attached a clip of that in the end, so please don't skip this video. Watch till the end, you will not be disappointed. I had this old plastic stool lying around. I spray painted it gold to match my decor and used it to keep the flower vase. I used this small brown rug to layer on top of the stool. This rug breaks all the gold monotony of the flower vase and the stool and gives it a rustic feel for this whole setup. I have used this gold stool to keep the flower vase because I wanted this vase to be on the same height of the floor lamp, which is at the other end of the sofa. I am very particular about the symmetry, you see. I got this floor lamp from Pepperfry. The gold and black theme matches my decor, and I use it to read books when everybody is sleeping at night. Sometimes I feel that we are always overwhelmed with so much content in the social media, so I like to relax after a long day in this cozy corner with a mug of warm water and my favorite book. Don't forget to let me know what is your favorite way of relaxation after a long day. I would like to read all your comments and see how I can do it in my life too. I have already mentioned that I don't have a coffee table. I use this last shelf of the TV unit to keep the book which I am reading currently. I keep my other books in my bedroom. I use this brown basket to keep my sofa cushions when we do not use them. This is our entrance to the bedroom. I had two plain white walls on either side with lots of nails which the previous tenant had made. So I used some of them to hang these beautiful flowers and came up with my own DIY wall hanging to match my color scheme. I will do a separate video next on how to make these wall hangings. Please let me know if you would want to see that or not. I will be very happy to see a yes from all of you. I bought this vintage double-side clock from Amazon. It adds such elegance and rustic feel to my living room. I will link all the products which I used in this living room in the description box below. Please be sure to check that out. I have left this wall behind the TV unit blank. I have reserved this space for my daughter's birthday celebrations. I use this wall to put up all her birthday banner and other decor. Please click on the I button to see how I celebrated a minimalist birthday party. I am sure you will have lot of tips and tricks to do the same at your house too. I am a great devotee of Lord Muruga and I try to include his symbols wherever possible in my home. Yes, you have guessed it right. I love peacocks and its feathers, and it was a sweet coincidence to find this beautiful peacock engraving on my entrance door. I had pasted the peacock feathers to add beauty and elegance to my living room. I have also heard that peacock feathers will keep the lizards at bay. I don't know how far it is true, but we are living in this house for more than 2 years now and I don't have a single lizard. Maybe it's right. If you know the logical reasoning behind this theory, please let me know in the comments below. This is how beautiful it looks when I light up all the candles and fairy lights. I so love the warm and calm feeling it offers and I enjoy every bit of it. So that's it. My living room tour is over. Some people who visit my home always ask me, why is your house so empty? Some would even go a step further and ask, are you so stingy or conjuice that you don't like to buy furniture for your house? Well, I really don't know how to answer them, but I love the emptiness. Less things means less maintenance. The emptiness means more space. Would you believe if I told you that my daughter and my husband play cricket here? The children who come to our home have a lot of area to run around, and I love minimalism. I try to be a minimalist wherever possible. I hope I inspired you with my minimalism decor ideas. Let me know what minimalism means to you in the comments below, and I love reading all your comments. Thanks a lot for watching.
If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel for all the organizing content, minimalism, DIY and Indian decor. Thanks a lot for watching.